Baby, come here and sit down, let's talk. I gotta let it stay till I get so start by saying that I love you. But you know this thing ain't been no walk in the park for us. So it only take a minute. You'll understand when I finish. Yeah, and I don't wanna see you cry, but I don't wanna be the one to tell you like so. How did you let go when you just don't know what's on the other side of the door when you're walking out? Talk about it. Everything I try to remember to say just went out my head. So I'm gonna do the best I can to get you to understand. There's never a right time to say goodbye. But I gotta make the first move, cause if I don't, you're gonna start hating me. Cause I really don't feel the way I once felt about you. Girl, it's not you, it's me. I gotta figure out what I need. Oh, there's never a right time to say goodbye. But we know we gotta go our separate ways. And I know it's hard, but we gotta do it. And it's killing me. Cause never a right time to say goodbye. Girl, I know your heart is breaking. For 1,000 times I find myself asking why. Yeah, I don't know that part. The rest of the song. Well, good morning. Actually, it's 1:05 in the afternoon. Whatever. I just woke up. Okay.